the notorious Emotet malware, which recently returned from a hiatus after the botnet was dismantled this past January by a joint task force, has been observed installing Cobalt Strike directly, rather than its normal tactic of installing Qbot or TrickBot first and allowing one of those to install Cobalt Strike. Cobalt Strike is a legitimate penetration testing tool that gives the tester the ability to execute commands remotely and surveil the network. Attackers often use cracked versions of this tool in breaches and to install ransomware on victim systems. Installing Cobalt Strike directly eliminates the amount of time between the initial infection and when Cobalt Strike is installed, which means that victims have less time to detect and mitigate the infection prior to ransomware potentially being installed and executed on their systems. The AI-powered and behavioral detection engines in Acronis Cyber Protect detect and block Emotet as well as Qbot, TrickBot, and other malware, while the included active protection stops ransomware no matter how it may have found its way onto your systems.